Hi guys, this is part 2 of my brushless Blizzard build. I have the Hobby Wing ESCs and I just got my Ghoul RC brushless little motors, 4500 kV. I'll show you what they look like. They were $24 for both of them shipped. I think it was like 25. They're pretty small, they should fit. You see, the rod doesn't hit for the plow, so that's good. Anyhow, I'm going to put this together and I'll hopefully show you it running. Okay, I have it all installed. It's not perfect in yet, but I put it in. And I noticed the LEDs on here when I'm flooring it flicker on and off sometimes. I think I need a Beck because I'm running 2 ESCs into the receiver. I'm not sure. Look at these LEDs. I'm going to take it out for a spin now just to show you. So always seems to be raining when I work on this Blizzard. Anyway, here's the brushless setup. Doesn't seem as fast as with my Traxxas modified motors, and I don't know why it's blipping on and off when I'm giving it gas all the time. I hope I just need a Beck. I have the 2 ASCs wired from the battery together, the negative and positive with the 2 switches I have to leave on. So these motors may not be the best. I don't know. They're supposedly 4500 kV. But I don't know, it seems slower, actually a lot slower than my other Traxxas motors I put in here. But it seems to be working good besides this little glitch. I have to do some looking up on some info about the Becks and see what the hell's going on here. Okay, I've been running the Blizzard for like probably about 8 minutes straight. I'm gonna see the temperature. 138 the motors. Yep, 138. It's like on both of them. The ESCs. 84. 84. So I don't know, it's a lot slower than my modified motors I had in it, but I could probably run this one on 3S, but I don't know how hot these motors will get. I may end up getting the dynamite motors. We'll see. I'll just leave this for now. It's good enough. It's faster than stock though. See you next time. Shenlanko out.